Most hosts don't realize their website is secretly sabotaging booking thanks to 4 surprisingly common mistakes in design, copy, and user experience. I'm going to demo a real website and break down how Boostly solves each problem so you can start winning more guests today. And just before we dive in, if you're watching this and you know deep down that your website could be working harder for you, or maybe you've not even got one going yet, then I highly recommend that you check out the free Boostly workshop. The link is in the description below. All right, so let's get started. Number 1, the big mistake, no clear call to action. So picture this, a guest lands on your website, they're scrolling through the pictures, they're reading about the business, maybe even checking availability, and then nothing. No book now button. The funny thing is, you've done the hard work. You've got them to your website, but now they don't know what to do next. Every single page on your website should guide the visitor towards one clear action. The next step, which is the obvious one, which should be only a click or 2 away, is how can I give you money? Number 2 is your website is not properly optimized. If your website takes more than a few seconds to load, it's designed poorly and people will leave quickly. A lot of websites I've seen were either built years ago or made on a do-it-yourself builder that doesn't hold up anymore. Guests are usually browsing on a mobile phone, often multitasking. They're on the sofa, at work, or scrolling at home. So if your website doesn't load quickly and doesn't scroll properly, they will leave and book somewhere else. The next mistake is you're not just describing, you're selling. A lot of websites just list out features. For example, 2-bedroom property with a sea view. It's not persuasive and it's not selling the experience. Guests don't just want to know what's in the property, they want to imagine themselves being there, relaxing on the balcony, taking a walk on the beach with a sunset. Remember, you're selling memories, not mattresses. Mistake number 4, no social proof or credibility. We've all seen these dodgy websites that could either be a 5-star stay or an absolute scam. That's why social proof is key. You've got to use real reviews. You've got to have recognizable logos like Visit England, for example, even Airbnb, and guest photos or user-generated content. If your website doesn't show that other people have booked and loved it, you're making the visitor do all the work trying to figure it out. And if you're sitting there thinking, I'm doing at least 3 of those mistakes, you're not alone. At Boostly, we exist to help short-term rental hosts like you stop relying solely on Airbnb and the OTAs and build a business that works for you. We believe that you deserve to own your brand, own your guest experience, and keep more of the money you earn. If that sounds like where you want to go next, then the next step is simple. Click the link in description below. You'll be able to book a call with our team. We'll walk you through exactly how to set this system up, how we'll show you real life examples, and we'll help take your website and your business from a passive placeholder to a profit generating machine. And if this video has helped you spot a few things you need to change, you're going to love the next one. It's called Most Hosts Lose 25% Profit to Airbnb, and more importantly, how to fix it. So go watch that now, and I'll see you in there.